What is popping, guys? We are here in, well, I don't know where this is, but we're with Blizzard. None of this. What was this? What was this? No, Spider-Man. Sorry. Today, me and Lewis will be playing a game of Pig, and basically I'm going to beat Lewis, and it's not going to end well because there's going to be a forfeit at the end.
What?
Lick my shoe.
No, lick that mud.
Fine. You want to lick mud? Yeah. I'm not up for this licking mud. Guys, I'm just back, and we're going to play a game of Pig. So who's setting first? Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I always beat you. Okay, you're
set.
recording. Okay, my set is glitter.
Alright. I'll stand over it. He's going to clear this little gap.
Tell my mum you saved my life, alright?
Okay. I'll count it. You cleared it. You cleared it a little bit.
Okay. I think that didn't end so well.
Right.
Alright, did you see it? What are you setting? Yeah. Blizzard.
My set.
Your set.
My set's going to be tail whip off the curb.
It's called a whip, not a tail whip.
It's called a tail whip, but we call it a whip. And tail whip off that curb.
What curb?
I'm going to move back so I don't hit your shins.
He landed that.
Catch.
Catch.
I catch it like I catch the ball.
Go check out my merch, link in bio. I've actually got new merch, and it's selling like a got church in Gloons, where I'm from. We chew it like it's, yeah. Guys, so
Scoot, scoot.
this Blizzard is gonna kill me.
You can take your rebate?
How do you land whip on 2 feet? Keep your feet straight.
Yeah, and you kick it faster.
I kick it a bit slower, don't I?
Yes. Currently standing in this trampy bush. Right, go. You're on S, or are you playing game Pig? Oh, he's on P. Right, what's your set?
Looking like I'm gonna lose it.
What's your set?
I fart around the applause. Don't know actually. Salad.
Okay.
Salad dish.
Salad this
You
little
don't know what
thing.
salad is? Basically when you hop onto the ramp and you don't let your wheel touch and just go. Don't let your front wheel touch, you basically do this.
Pretty easy. Yeah. Does that count?
Oh yeah.
Yo! I'm gonna go get my suit.
Where are you going to work out in your old, Lewis?
Let me guess.
Sainsbury's Basics.
Sainsbury's Basics.
Are you gonna send the salad?
I'm just gonna send it. I'm still gonna send it.
Are you gonna send this?
Oh, that's hard.
Do you take a ribeye? You take a ribeye just for a salad.
Oh.
You're on P. We're both on P. Okay, what's your set?
What's it?
Is in log.
What's that?
Fine, fair enough trick. Fair enough!
Oh yeah, fair enough.
Wait.
Ready?
Watch Joe Maker. Hey, go follow me on Facebook.
Joe Maker.
No, you said this. Go follow at Joe Maker or Joe Maker.
Yeah. P. No, P.I. Right, what's your set?
Salad, petit bar out.
Okay. What, you want to get me on P.I.?
Yeah.
It's pretty easy. Salad.
No salad!
I can salad. Okay.
Petit bar, boy.
Right.
You taking my letter or what? Wait a second. You're not sending Tickless, are you?
Oh, I had that.
No more rebates. Sorry, PI. Okay, what's your set?
Bar flat.
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
Wait, your sons, do it here.
The sun's out.
You've got two sons. My son's out. He landed, I'll send it, so I can actually bar that.
That was a bar. Or was it a throw bar? P.I.G. You gotta lick mud. He's gonna lick the mud. Oh. He's gonna lick the mud. Go on.
Wait, this?
Yeah.
Well, I have to.
Yeah.
Get thumbnail. Thumbnail. I think what's been in there though.
So? Oh! He actually did it.
Guys, if you like that video, smash the like button.
Yeah, I'm the best.
Peace out. End the video, please.